The pizza ordering bot is used by a consumer to ask for the available items with the menu command. A customer is shown the list of available pizza in a carousel and a list along with the price. After browsing, the customer decides to order the pizza and sends a message order. An order form is displayed for him to make a selection. The user enters his address and choices of food items and submits the order. The bot requests for the payment information. Upon selecting credit card as a payment method, the customer is asked to provide credit card details. The credit card details are validated, and upon confirmation, the bot replies with a message that the pizza will be delivered in the next 30 minutes. With Bluevin, NLP-driven apps can be created and launched in less than a day.